Hi everyone, welcome to 7th grade Civics. I'm Miss Christensen. I'm very happy to be your virtual online teacher for the 4th marking period, even though I do wish that we were together in person. We are not going to be starting the first class until the 16th. All right, so take this time to look over the syllabus and figure out any questions you have for me. The first thing that we're going to do together is going to be a Google Meet, where I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. You're going to introduce yourself, and we're going to get to know each other a little bit. All right, 7th grade Civics is a really fun class. You're going to be learning about the government and how it works. We're going to be debating different issues. All right, and we're always going to be talking to one another about current events and what's going on today in the United States. All right, so this is going to be a great class to finish off your 7th grade year with. So it's going to be good, guys. All right, so please go over the syllabus and start thinking about how you're going to introduce yourself over Google Meets. All right, have a great long weekend, guys.